What if everything you've been seeking, peace, clarity, purpose, wasn't something you had to find, but something you simply needed to uncover? What if awakening wasn't about becoming someone new, but about remembering who you've always been? Spiritual awakening is a process of discovery, but it's not as abstract as it might seem. It's deeply personal, practical, and accessible to anyone willing to embrace it. Today, we'll explore the true fundamentals of awakening in a way that speaks not just to your mind, but to your everyday life. Let's begin with the first and the most profound truth. You are not just in the universe, you are the universe expressing itself as you. This isn't just a poetic idea, it's the foundation of everything. Think of a wave rising in the ocean. It feels separate, unique, distinct. But no matter how high it rises or how far it travels, it is always part of the ocean. The same is true for you. Your thoughts, your body, even your identity, they may feel like separate pieces, but they are all expressions of the infinite. When you feel disconnected, remind yourself, I am not a fragment, I am the whole. Take a moment to breathe deeply, feel your body, and notice the life flowing through you. That flow is the universe itself. The second truth is freedom. Freedom is not about controlling life. It's about trusting it. We spend so much energy trying to hold on to people, outcomes, even our own fears. But the awakened soul discovers that true freedom comes from surrender. Imagine holding a handful of sand. The tighter you grip, the more it slips through your fingers. But when you release your grip, the sand stays in your palm. Life works the same way. Surrender is not about giving up. It's about letting go of resistance and flowing with life's current. The next time you face a challenge, pause and ask yourself, am I resisting or am I trusting? Let go of the need to control every detail. Often, the moment you surrender is the moment clarity appears. This third truth will cause an immediate change in your life. Your awareness shapes your reality. Most of us live on autopilot, unaware of how our thoughts, emotions, and focus influence the world around us. If you constantly focus on fear, you'll see fear everywhere. But if you shift your awareness to gratitude, love, or possibility, your world begins to reflect those qualities back to you. This isn't magic, it's the natural law of attention. Try this. Every morning, set an intention for the day. Say to yourself, today I choose to focus on peace. Notice how your awareness shifts throughout the day, bringing you moments of calm even in chaos. What you give your attention to grows. Your awareness is not passive, it is the creator of your experience. The fourth truth is gratitude. Gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for awakening. It's not just about feeling thankful, it's about seeing the fullness of life as it is. When you live in gratitude, even the smallest moments, a breath, a kind word, a ray of sunlight, become extraordinary. Science backs this up. Studies show that practicing gratitude rewires your brain, increasing happiness and resilience. But gratitude is more than a mental exercise. It's a way of being. The awakened soul doesn't wait for big miracles to feel grateful. They find miracles in the everyday. At the end of each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be grand. Sometimes it's the simplicity of a meal or the warmth of a blanket. Gratitude turns the ordinary into the extraordinary. The fifth truth, stillness. In a world that moves so fast, stillness can feel like a luxury. But the truth is, stillness is where clarity and peace reside. It's in stillness that the noise of the mind settles, and the deeper truths of life begin to emerge. Think of a muddy pond. When it's stirred, the mud clouds the water. But when you stop moving, the mud settles, and the water becomes clear. Your mind works the same way. Stillness is not the absence of movement, it's the presence of everything. Set aside 5 minutes a day to sit in silence. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, and simply be. At first, your mind will resist. It's not used to stillness. But with time, you'll begin to feel the calm and clarity that only silence can bring. And so, my friends, we return to the ultimate truth. Awakening is not about becoming, it's about remembering. You are not separate from life. You are life itself. You are not disconnected from peace, freedom, or love. They are your essence. The journey of awakening is not a race or a goal. It's a process of peeling away what isn't real to uncover what has always been. You are not seeking awakening. You are awakening itself, remembering its infinite nature.